If you're thinking about buying the Monster M3 Bluetooth speaker, you're probably wondering one thing. Is it actually legit? I took a closer look at what this little speaker offers. And honestly, there are some things I like. First, the size is a big advantage. The M3 is tiny and lightweight, so it's easy to carry around. You can throw it in a bag, take it outside, or use it at home. It connects through Bluetooth. And according to the available specifications, it uses Bluetooth 5.4. That means the connection should be fast and stable. The speaker also has a built-in battery. The listed playtime is around 4 hours at full volume. At lower volume, it can reach around 9 hours. That's not amazing, but it's reasonable for such a small speaker. Now let's talk about sound. The M3 is not going to replace a large party speaker. It's simply too small for that. But for casual listening, podcasts, videos, and background music, it can make sense. I also like that it has an IPX5 water resistance rating, so a little water or splashing should not immediately ruin it. But there are downsides. There's no companion app. There's no voice assistant. And you shouldn't expect powerful bass from something this compact. So, is the Monster M3 a scam? No, the product itself appears to be a real, functioning Bluetooth speaker. But I would keep expectations realistic. If you want something tiny and affordable for casual use, the M3 could be worth considering.